Hello everyone, welcome back to Lynn's Homestead. I'm going to give you an update on the sinkhole repair. I kind of ran my pine straw rake. Doesn't do too much with these leaves unless it's in a big clump, but it's great for leveling soil. Go figure. So I'm going to give you an update on the sinkhole. I'm going to show you what happened after I used that pine straw rake in the garden to level it off. So, here is the sinkhole. I mean, it turned out all right. I got some dirt over there left over. I had some left over from the garden, and I added it over there. So you see, I mean, it looks a lot better than it did. At least there's not a great big hole. I still probably got about, some places about 4 inches left, and I may be able to use that, but I'm leaving that until I get done with this doghouse and kennel build. So as for the garden, this is what we got. I had to add some more soil over here to bring up the level. And like I said, that pine straw rake, it works really good in leveling soil. It really does. But anyways, that's about the update that I have for the day. The last video that I'm making today, because tomorrow morning, concrete. Supposed to be in the 70s, low 40s, 50s. I can deal with that. For 3 days, I haven't been able to pour concrete due to freezing weather. So anyways, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, smash that like button, and don't forget to share it with your friends. I'll see you here next time, Lynn's Homestead. You have an awesome day, and God bless.